Yes. Whenever you double click on that downloaded file, then automatically it can be given this type of visualization. And here it can be asking that where it is that workplace. Workplace means what you have to created that Java file or that Java file where it is saved, where it is located that. So in my computer, so here it can be created that C programming. For example, if you want to save from your desktop, so on the time, just you have to create that new file, new folder. That new folder is that Java source or Java or whatever it may be. You have to assign that name on that folder. So here you have to click on that browse, and here where you have to created that folder desktop. So that's why click on that desktop, then automatically it can be given that what you have to create. So which folders is available on the desktop, that folders are appear on that this window. Then you have to choose on that Java source and here and select that. That's it only. So then automatically it can be created that path, then automatically launch that Eclipse IDE. So that is the opening. And here installation purpose, whenever you double click on that download file, then automatically there's so many versions is available, but you have to choose on that Eclipse IDE for Java development. Um, just click on that option. So here here it is available Java 11th version. So that JDK file and Java JDK file, where it is that installation folder. And here also you have to choose on that one particular folder, that Java or something or else. You have to choose on that you are personally. Then automatically just you have to click on that install, then it can be going on that process. That is the installation, guys. And previous window you have to choose in that the number of versions are is available in this Eclipse installation. But you are as you are developer, just you have to choose this one only, IDE for the Java developers only. Whenever you click on this option, then automatically it can be given that paths, installation path, and which version you have to choose, and that where it is downloaded that Java. So these are all information it can be given that. So in the finally in bottom option is there installation. Then automatically whenever you click on this installation button, then automatically that Eclipse it can be process is going on. Whenever you click on this installation, that is the process of that Eclipse IDE. Whenever it is successfully installed, then it can be appear on that icon on that desktop. So whenever you double click on that, so then automatically it can be given this type of dialog box. So here the source place, that is the workplace, guys. That is the workplace. Actually, here also you have to given that information. Workplace in the sense where you have to created that source and files and folders, and these are all things. If you not interested, so this place is not secure for you for yours. So on the time you have to create a D drive or E drive, whatever it may be. On that place also you have to created that source file, and here I have to choose in this. I have to create a new folder, and so that folder name is J, for example. That folder name is J. So that J folder I have to select that and click